Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your HyperX Cloud 3 to your PS5 in 2026. Now, to begin with, the Hyper Cloud 3 supports both wired USB connection and the 3.5 mm audio jack. So there are multiple ways for you to connect it to your PS5. So first of all, you need to plug the USB connector of your HyperX Cloud 3 into one of the USB ports on your PlayStation 5. So once connected, the PS5 will automatically detect the headset as a USB audio device. Now on your PS5, you just have to go to the settings, then go to the sound settings. Now inside sound settings, simply look for the option of audio and output. Then you just have to set the output device to USB headset, which is going to be the HyperX Cloud 3. Same with the input device as well. This ensures both the audio and the microphone are working properly. Alternatively, what you can do is you can simply connect the headset directly to your PS5. For that, you just have to simply plug the 3.5 mm jack into the controller and the audio will switch automatically. Again, you need to go to the settings, then go to the sound and confirm the input and the output devices that are set to the controller headset. After connecting, you can fine tune your audio by going to the settings and adjusting the volumes. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.